Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are just doing amazing. My name is Susmit Sankhe and today I am going to show you how to open and close your Audi convertible rooftop manually. I was driving one day and I was trying to open the roof. So what happened was I stopped the car. I know I need to put the car on a parking mode before I open or close, but when this roof is on the halfway, I was like, oh, let me just drive. Let me see what happens. I put the car on the drive mode and that's it. It got stuck. I think Audi has some safety issue or something. I don't know what happened that time, but I got the error on the dashboard that, oh, the rooftop is not working now. And then I found out maybe my hydraulics didn't create any pressure. So that's the reason it got stuck. Then I thought that I need to go to the Audi. I called them and I scheduled the appointment and I drive home. It's like with the halfway like open. The roof was halfway open and I drive home. Then I was stressed. I was searching things. Then I found out I can do this manually. So if anything happened with you like this, you don't need to go to the Audi. Just watch this video and you'll find it out how to open and close this manually. So first open your trunk and then lift this thing up and you will find this this thing in the trunk, and you don't need anything of this. You just need this thing. Okay, close the trunk. Now it's time to go inside. Oh man, it's so hot. Okay, now it's time to turn on the car and open the roof so I can tell you exactly what happened. The car is on. Let me place the camera here so I can show you. If you want to open the roof, here is the button. If you press this down, it will close. If you pull it up, it's gonna open. Okay, you can see now the roof is opening. Yeah, while this one is that, I think while this one is at this stage, I just turned on my car and it got stuck. So you can see now roof is closed and window is coming up. Okay, the roof is closed. Now I'm gonna go and show you how to the roof is open, so I'm gonna go and I'll show you how to close it. I was trying to open this manually and I was just trying for 5 minutes. I was like, why this one is not working? Then I found it out. If everything is good with the car, there is no problem, then there are some locks inside. Those things are got locked, so you cannot open or close manually. When the car or roof has a problem, those locks got open automatically. After that time only you can open or close this manually. But just in case, I will give you a rough idea how you can open this manually. So once you are here, you can see where is your back seat of the car. You see there are flaps both the sides. So flip this down like this and put some pressure over here. So once you put some little bit pressure, it will come up till here, like in a 90 degrees. Once this one is at the 90 degree, put your hand inside and start pulling your roof. So slowly the roof will come like this. So once the roof is still here, you can see the back window is at the 90 degrees standing like this over here. So once that one is here, you can close this thing down, and after that again start pushing that roof until it reaches here. So automatically once this one is here, the back window will close automatically here. So once you are here, let me close the roof so you guys will get the better idea what to do when your roof is here. Once your roof is here, you need this. I already showed you in the beginning of the video that you guys can find this in your trunk. Pop this thing out. Okay. Goes here. Twist this to this side. Okay, until it stops. After that, you can just open this manually. Just push it up and it will goes back. Only do this time when you have some kind of error on your dashboard. Otherwise, don't do it manually. And for closing, bring your roof till here and close the locks manually. Turn it this way. That's it. If you learned something by watching this, like the video, subscribe my channel, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.